When I make these, I like to roll out one sheet of pasta and then I slice it right down the middle. And then I fill them with 3/4 inch balls of filling. So I like to space them about 1.5 inches, maybe a little bit longer. And that's gonna let me have enough room to slice them evenly. Once I have the sheets filled up, I like to fold it over in half one more time. And then squeeze the ends and then slowly squeeze out all of the air. You wanna go one way. Work your way around each of the balls, squeezing out the air. But always start at one end and then squeeze the air out slowly one way. So I use a 2-inch round cutter and I slice right around the filling, making half moons. So I have the half moons and I have the round edge facing me. Then I fold it up over the round edge and I press right in the middle, making a little bit of a dimple. I roll the ravioli up towards me and then I press right in the middle, making a little bit of a dimple. The ravioli should stand up on its own right after this.